It's giveaway time. I've teamed up with Hamilton Beach to give one lucky follower of mine a Hamilton Beach rice and hot cereal cooker. This rice cooker not only cooks rice and grains, but you can cook dried beans, soups, and it even steams food. I reviewed this rice cooker in a recent video, so if you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it now. I put a link to that video up here. To participate in the giveaway, you must be 18 years or older and reside in any of the 50 United States. The prize cannot be shipped to P.O. boxes. I've included a link to where you can enter the giveaway below. There are multiple ways of increasing your chances of winning, so be sure to enter before the giveaway ends on July 22nd, 2018. Sharing this video is just one of the ways you can increase your chances of winning. Good luck to everyone who enters.